my name is Pamela Lin. In this course, I will share with you my own methods on how to draft our own swag patterns. Of swag to create these methods. My goal is when you complete this course, you will be able to pattern and construct any size of 4-month swag. I hope you enjoy these methods as much as I do.